show on PBS Kids with this girl named Lila who loves to make stuff and figure things out.
We can do it!
With a little help from her family.
Now this is art!
Her bestie.
That's an amazing idea!
And Stu? Stu's a lot of fun. And he's super helpful.
Go, Stu, go!
Except when he isn't.
Didn't see that coming.
Check out Lila and Lily, streaming free on PBS Kids.
This is the emergency broadcast. We received the black hole through the solar system. We will detected the bad reports by NISA. It could suck up the house, trees, and others. Please evacuate as soon as possible and stay tuned for more information.
Nakatanggap ang aming report mula sa NASA tungkol sa namataang black hole sa ating solar system. Namataang lumalapit at lumalaki ang black hole at nahigop nito ang mga planeta sa solar system. Nasa panganib ngayon ang daigdig. Hindi natin mapipigilan ang krisis na ito. Ilaan ang natitirang mga oras sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay.
We have received reports from NASA about the discovered black hole on our solar system. It is being observed to be eradicating other planets in this solar system. We cannot control this crisis. Spend your remaining times with your loved ones. This is the final broadcast. We thank you from all of us at GMA for being a loyal viewer. Until the end, goodbye.
Ang bayan kong Pilipinas, lupain ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig